In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create viral thumbnails with AI. So to do that, we're going to go to Novo Ads AI. The link is going to be in the comment section. And once you arrive here, we need to go to the image section. And here we need to use the following settings. Now here, where it says describe your image, we're going to use the following prompt. And now, where it says title, we're going to write the title of our video. For example, let's put this title. And now, in the text overlay, and now here, where it says text overlay, we have to write the text that we want to appear in the thumbnail. So let's put, for example, inevitable crisis, and in reference image, I'm not going to upload a reference image. So let's put no. And now we have to click here. Now we have to wait like 30 seconds. Perfect. Here we have the results. And as you can see, all the thumbnails are really good. So if you want to do thumbnails like these ones, I want to tell you that you can try this platform for just $1. This if you are a new user. So well, see you in the next video.